Hi, welcome to another EPC teardown video. Today we have a steam machine, a brand new one. I was lucky enough to get it. It's extremely easy to tear down. Now let's get into it. To begin with, let's start by getting out our TR8-bit, the star bit. First off, before that actually, take off the faceplate. Flip it over. Then you'll have these 4 screws with the rubber in them, or rather, screws that are rubberized. Let's unscrew these. Then let's go to the back with the fan. And then you've got 2 more screws for the back plate here, which these are captured. And then you just peel it off at the back here. And then you'll just pull it through by flipping it up like this. Oh, 2 more screws, I forgot. Here by the fan. Now you pull it through. Be careful while doing this. Then you've got the whole unit here with the fan, the heat sink, and the power supply. Then you have here your SSD. Let me rotate it for you. So I've got the 1 terabyte version here, and you can fit a much bigger M.2. I believe it's a 26 or 2280 or whatever. Here. Then you've got the HDMI and display port, and then you've got the other daughter board with USB-C and the 2 USB and Ethernet. Now we'll take off the screws for these 2 daughter boards. And disconnect the cables connecting them. You got 4, including the front RGB cable here. So they're all able to be taken out and replaced if need be. Next, let's take out the SSD and its daughter board. Then, don't forget the screw that's under one of the daughter boards for the back I/O for the USB and Ethernet. Then you want to take off, or rather remove slowly, these glued on ribbon cables that connected to the daughter boards. Then we'll have to remove the 4 cables in the front that connect the Bluetooth for the wireless controller, the Steam controller, and the RGB. Make sure that you don't Make sure that you don't plug the wrong cable into the wrong spot. They're not labeled. And don't forget, there is 1 more over here on the opposite side. For this is the one for the Bluetooth. Get you. Then, in here, you have 1 more screw that's deep in there, just like the other one. Don't forget about that one for taking off the fan. And then also, don't forget that there's this little USB or fan header here connecting to the motherboard. Make sure that you push down on it too, so it doesn't come loose, and pull it. Now I'm taking out the cable so I can take off the fan. We'll unscrew the 4 star bits that hold the motherboard and the cooler, or the heatsink rather, to the board and the power supply. Now you should be able to just pull it out. Just like that. And here you have the CPU and the graphics card with the heatsink and the motherboard. And then you have here the 2 SODIMM slots for upgraded memory. It looks like here I have a 16 gigabyte SODIMM at 5600. So further than this, you don't have to go, since it's just on the board for you. If you do, you will have some thermal paste and some putty, but I wouldn't recommend going further than this, especially if you're just going to upgrade it. Then down here you have the power supply. It's a special unit that they've developed and everything. So, and then you've got front up here the front LED. And that's how you tear down the new Steam machine. Thank you for watching.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.